I'm Jada, your host today. The 2021 TaipeiPLAS ShoeTech Taipei has been transformed into a unique and brand new event called Online Exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to pandemic, even though we cannot meet face-to-face, however, I'm going to bring you to visit our exhibitor's factory in Taiwan through internet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your questions in chat box in words. We will answer them in Q&A section. Now, let me bring you to LIENFA, which is located in Taichung, the middle part of Taiwan. LIENFA is famous for injection molding machine. Now, let me welcome Ms. Biyun Zhang to bring us to her factory and the latest machine. Hello, Biyun.
Hi, I'm Biyun Zhang. Today, I will introduce you to the company and product of LIENFA injection molding machine. LIENFA started out as a manufacturer of injection molding machine in 1967. By 1967, our effect in R&D compete have enabled us to specialize in the design and manufacture of all types of injection molding machine. As well, continue to improve our engineering technology, R&D capacity, and service quality. We will know in machine and efficiency in 1992. Today, our machines are installed in more than 50 countries around the world with a request of high quality injection machine and technical support service. And first, I will show you our standard machine. This one will be our standard injection molding machine. This one, we have big range of the injection machine of hydraulic machine from 40 tons to 4,000 tons. And this one will be 700 tons for us. For us, we have three standard machines. First is ST, single cylinder direct clamping system. Second, MT, four cylinder direct clamping system. Third, MT2, dual block platen with four cylinder direct clamping system. The size of MT2 is 20 to 30% smaller than other injection molding machine in the market. The advantage of hydraulic machine are, first of all, clamping force is constant because of the center piston construction. Also, it is very easy to adjust clamping tones even during the cycle. Second, the opening and closing cylinder of the mold provides a straight travel of the movable platen, which creates an accurate alignment with the fixed platen. Third, the direct clamping pressure by centralized piston constraint provides even distribution on the platen, which will improve misalignment of the mold. For hydraulic short start cylinder use only a small amount of oil. The clamping system is considered to be a much cleaner system, which needs less maintenance than other machines. And there are other additional systems which are be added on your current machine to provide additional function. HB, which is an energy-saving system that saves 50 to 70% of energy than traditional machine. HS, high-speed molding machine that can be used for projects that requires a large injection speed of product processing. And then HBH will be the best choice if you need a high energy saving system and you need a high speed injection. And then I will show you the Echo. This one is our electronic type machine. Echo, it is purely power for electronic. Since there is no oil use, this type of machine is often provided for product that requires a strict clean environment, such as product from laboratories use or for the medical and the electronic industry. The advantage of eco including first, energy saving by 50 to 70%, second, high cleanliness, third, low noise, and for product environmental needs for meet special standards. And thank you for your time to listening for me to introduction our machine. And for us, we have different service group in different countries. For example, Thailand, Australia, Germany, United States, Canada, Vietnam, China, and of course in Taiwan. So please be free to contact us if you have any question or if you have interest in our machine. So thank you for your time. Thanks.
Let me welcome Sales Manager of LIENFA, Ms. Biyun Zhang, to join us to answer your questions. Hello, Biyun, can you hear us?
Hi, I'm here. Hello, everybody. I'm Biyun Zhang. I'm from LIENFA.
Hello, Biyun. We cannot see you. Yes, we can see you perfectly now.
I didn't open the...
No problem. Welcome, Biyun. So as you can see, we have two questions from Miss Annie. The first question is, if I don't know what kind of LIENFA machine should I choose, what should I provide to you so that you can help us?
If you don't have the experience, or even you don't have the machine in your factory, or you haven't started your business, maybe you can just send us the picture of your sample of the product you would like to do in the future, and let us know the weight of the sample, what's the size and material, or even you can just send us the sample and we can help you to do the suggest. And if you have the mold, and you just send us the mold size, the product's photos, and what's the cavity of the mold and the weight. And the most important, you will have an ideal quantity you would like to provide to your customers. So maybe you just let us know what's the quantity you would like to have in the future. Yes. So if you give us some list those information, and we can help you to match what's the better machine for you. Yes. Thank you.
There's another question from Miss Annie. That's if I have no experience in injection machine, how do I start?
Okay, if you don't have any experience, and you just have an idea about doing the plastic industry, and maybe you just like the last question, just send me the idea you have, and we can show you what's the good way to start it, and we can give you some advice. And if you do every test and every search in your country, this product will be successful, and we can help you to do the whole plan planning, and you can do it when you receive the machine.
There are two questions from Ms. Emma. The first one is, I would like to ask to LIENFA, in COVID, it's inconvenient for us to visit LIENFA factory in Taiwan. Is there any corresponding solution from you?
Okay, yes. We do have some great team we have in the Turkey, Australia, Germany, Canada, United States, Brazil, or maybe you still in Asia but not in Taiwan. We have the people in China, Vietnam, Thailand. So if you have any question, just let us know. You can send us the email by website, and we will let you know what's the contact is better for you to contact with.
And there's a follow-up question. How about machine inspection and education training institution? Do you provide anything?
Okay, for us, we do. If you would like to see what our factory or our machines looks like, we can show you by video, or if you want, we can do the live just like right now we can do in live. So you can I can show you what our machine looks like, and you will have an idea. And then for the test the machine, we can show you by video, or you just do it in live, and we will record the video for customer and do the paperwork for everything, and it will be no worry for machine. And if for the training, we will do it online too because of the COVID. Yes, so we will send you the guide how the machine works, and if you have the problem, how can you serve it. If you cannot do if doesn't work by the guide, okay, we can do it online, and you can call us. We will show you the video and teach you one step by step. So it's not a problem if we cannot fly to your factory to help. Yes.
And there's another question from Miss Annie that our company is not located in Asia. Is there any repair service or agency that can provide quotation?
Okay. Yes, we have the agent in in Turkey, in Australia, Germany, Canada, Brazil, so Vietnam, Thailand. So if you have any question, just let us know. If even though we don't have the people can help you in your country, we can help you to do everything by video or like the online meeting, and we can solve every problem.
Is there any other questions? Please feel free to leave in the chat box now. Okay, there's one more question from Miss Emma. Okay, if I cannot find the machine I need, does it mean LIENFA doesn't have it?
Oh, no. Actually, we do a lot of customized. So just let us know what's the product you have, what kind of machine in your idea, and maybe we can build a machine for you. So be free to ask us everything you need, so we can help you to find the best machine for you.
Great. Is there any other questions? If not, then I'm going to wrap up today's event. Okay, TaipeiPLAS and ShoeTech online exhibition and DigitalGo is live during September 28th to October 28th. Please stay tuned every Wednesday and Thursday for Factory In-House Live Show. Please visit TaipeiPLAS.com and shoetech.com.tw for more details. And of course, if you're interested in LIENFA solutions, please visit lienfa.com.tw for more services. Thank you so much today for your watching. Also, thank you, Biyun, for joining us today. Please keep healthy and happy. Let's see you soon next time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.